world-famous beaches, the culinary capital of the Caribbean, arts and entertainment. Grand Cayman lives up to its name in every sense, from its natural beauty to shopping among luxury brands. Among it all, a vibrant and welcoming community that feels safe and comforted by having world-class healthcare and a strong, stable government. And now's your chance to own a piece of the island for yourself. Up for auction, a large and stylish 5-bedroom home with Caribbean elegance that you'll be the first to live in. And the high-end furnishings are even included. This 9,500 square foot property sits within the luxurious waterfront community of Stone Island in the Yacht Club District. Find the highest quality finishes throughout this flawless 3-level home, from the glass elevator to the theater room, private pool to picturesque views. This one-of-a-kind grand residence in Grand Cayman auctions exclusively online only, March 27th through the 31st. Individual private tours available. 1-888-826-2308.